Cassie and I'm back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be doing my top 3 most recommended squishies and my top 3 least recommended squishies. So yeah, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video even if you hate it, to show some support. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell if there's 2 lines at the top of your bell. That means you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. And comment down below some videos, ideas, and suggestions. Also comment down below your most recommended and least recommended squishies. So now, let's get started. So the first least most recommended squishy is this one. I think these are good. They're like little crush balls. Mine's not that polarizing no more because I put it under water. Don't do that. Because when you're a beginner, these are pretty good squishies. And believe it or not, this was one of my first ever squishies. I got a basketball and this one and a tennis ball tennis ball, something like that. Yeah. And, no, baseball, sorry. And they're for my birthday. And those are my first ever squishies, so yeah. The next one is, where is it? The next one is soft and slow squishies. Look at this ice cream. This is really defective because just don't ask why, okay? I had this for a while now. But they're super surprising and soft. They don't smell like anything, but they're amazing. And the last squishy that I recommend is actually this cake squishy. You can get it at a showcase or online. I got mine online, so I got mine for $5. Yes, these kind of rip off, but it's really squishy and slow rising. That's why I recommend it. And it's also big, because usually when you're a beginner, you have squishies like this small. And if these are going to be one of your first ever squishies, I would recommend this because it's pretty big. So now I'm going to show you all the squishies that I recommend the least amount or least recommend. You get it? Okay, hey guys, so I actually lost footage and I'm editing right now. That's why it's not kind of that much of the same. But basically, the first squishy that I least recommend is this one. Because it is super defected and it gets defected very easily, so yeah. The second squishy that I least recommend is this. So I don't like donut ornament squishies because of this flappy thing, and it's really hard and it peels off very easily, but the back, although, is very soft. But I'm actually really happy today because guess what happened? It fell off. Right before I was shooting this video, I tried to peel it off slightly, and then I was like, okay, whatever. It was like this much, and I was like, you know, whatever. But whatever, anyway, look at that. I was just looking at it, I was like, wow, that went. So, comment down below what I should do with this. And also comment down below, I might deco this. But I don't recommend it because it's very hard and it falls off very sorry. So the last squishy or squishies that I least recommend is there's 3 kinds. Okay. These are $1. They're $1.25. So if you're going to buy each kind, there's 4 kinds. So $1 plus $1, $4 plus $5. You can easily buy this for $5. No joke. I bought this for like only a few bucks, like $3 more. Like $3 more. Is it like 7 or 8? I bought this for $4. And you could buy like, I don't know, I just feel like they're just better. So I spent $3.75. So it's just these really hard like stress balls. I don't recommend them because they're really hard and just, yeah. I also have this one. But if you like them, I think they are really cute. So I would recommend this one. More particular, I do not recommend the reindeer. It is the cutest one, but there's always an air bubble, and if you accidentally pop it, it would rip. Like this is a part of it that didn't get ripped yet. It's okay, guys. I did it on purpose. Okay. I don't know what it is, but it's just. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So do as I said before, like liking and blah blah blah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. Also, don't forget that you guys are beautiful and that you guys rock. Also, do not worry about anything, because you are perfect and we all make mistakes. So yeah, peace out, guys.
I've been up all night, no sleep, 'cause I feel